Now, this is a rubber band that's 2 years old. It was from the dollar store and it absolutely broke on me already. This is a Rogue band. This is an ATX band. I had these for 5 years and 3 or 4 years, and they're still looking pretty fresh. Even this one here. Boom. And this one, in comparison, look how torn down this is. Don't cheap out on rubber bands. Yes, it's just rubber bands, and you know at one point you're going to have to replace your rubber bands, whether you pay a lot of money for it or not. But you don't want your rubber bands to break on you as you're using them. And that's definitely going to happen with the cheaper ones. I had a lot of cheap ones in my day and they all broke on me. And I must say, the premium price you pay for ATX or Rogue is definitely worth it because they last a lot longer. Yeah, rubber bands are already known to be like a disposable gym piece of equipment, but the question is, how frequently do you want to dispose that piece of gym equipment? And cheaping out here is actually putting very lightly, because an ATX power band costs around, from the ones that I have, yellow and orange, cost like 7 euros or 12. And the Rogue ones, I have a red band and a blue band, and they are like 14 euros or 10 euros. So it's not that they're going to break the bank. And probably that dollar store band was like, I don't know, either 2 to 5 euros. So you still paid a price for it. So yeah, I think you can put 2 and 2 together. If we put in the years, this one 2 years, the other one's 5, and they're still going. So we have a lot more years to get out of them. And yeah, that is going to be a very, very valuable decision. Pro tip, always check your rubber bands that they don't have this, because that means they're just going to tear on you. And another thing, store them away from the sun. So I have them stored conveniently over here, boom, where the sun cannot come. So already here they're much better protected than if I, for example, were to put them, and I know it's dark over there, where the sun can potentially come into the room. So yeah, that's another piece of advice. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it, and I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!